So hello guys, my name is Akshay Vishwas Gupta, and in this video I would be showing you the Goto statement and the for loop. So till now we've made programs through a text window and if then statements, but now if then statements and text window wouldn't be used for like executing the program which they were used earlier, and now they would be used for mostly conditioning and formatting and telling small basic that this thing is necessary. So and I will explain you all this with the help of an example, and in which we would print numbers from 1 to 10 in sequence. So let's see. So in a program which we used to make earlier, we first of all used to assign a title to our program and then started by text window dot write line and enter any number and all that. But here we would directly start by putting a variable and assigning a value to it. So my variable is 1 and I've assigned the value 1. So after this variable's value is assigned, I will tell you later why we have assigned the value of the variable 1, and now we'll put the start label. So a label can be anything. Let me not tell you about labels right now. I'll tell you later. So now comes the text window dot write line statement. So why is text window dot write line required here? Why can't it just be avoided? So we need to tell small basic by the help of text window that this thing that which we have written is necessary to do. It's not like you can avoid it. And write line is used for spacing and indentation and all. So what does it have to act upon? We'll put in this bracket. And now we'll tell this that every time you execute the program, the next time just increase the value of I by 1. So we'll just put I is equal to I plus 1. So yeah, now let me tell you the significance of 1 here. So if the value of this was 2, then the program would have started here from 2, and every time it would have increased. It would have been confusing. So instead of here it is 1 plus 1, but then it would have become 2. So in the first time it would have printed 3, the next time it would have printed 6. So like that. So that is useful when we need to print the table of another number. It's not useful here. So now comes the if then statement. If I is smaller than 10, then what? So why is this statement basically required here? It is required to tell that you'll have to perform until this condition doesn't become true. So why didn't I put 10 instead of 11? Because if we put 11, it would be the numbers would be printed till 10 only. If I put 56, numbers would be printed till 55 only. So we need to print numbers till 10. So we'll need to add 1 to it, which gives us 11, and put 11 over here. And the program would keep running from 10 times until the given statement doesn't become true. And so now comes the Goto statement. If this isn't true, then the program would end there itself. But now we'll put Goto over here, and as the names can give us an idea, this means that go to somewhere else. So in this program, the keyword Goto is telling us to go somewhere in the program, and where to go, that's where labels come. So this is the start label, so this is a label. And how is a label represented? There must be a unique identity of a label, that is this colon which is put after the label. So what is the significance of labels? They are like landmarks in the program. So when we put go to, uh, uh, our program goes to that landmark only, go to a label. So whatever label is put, it goes to that label. So here start is put, so we'll have to put start over here. So why is this that we need to put a colon here and not here? Because he there it needs to be identified, but here it is clear that that is a label. This is why it has come with a Goto. So now let's put an end if. Yeah, now let's see if our program works. Number from 1 to 10 in sequence are printed, but isn't that too much time consuming? Can't we reduce the amount of time and the space? So how do we do it? We will put a for loop and then do it. So we just need to modify this program a bit. We'll remove this line, these lines are removed, and this line would come later to use, and this too wouldn't be required. Nothing in this would be required. Just what we need is we put a for over here and assign the value of a variable and tell for loop what do we need to do. Now we'll put the variable and just change its value a bit. The value would remain the same, the output would be the same, just it is that we need to modify it. So the value here also is 1, but now it is a for loop and it would go in a loop. So it would be for 1 to 20, 1 to 10. So here whatever the number is specified, it would be printed. So if a number till 10 are specified, 10 too would be printed. And now we'll put the text window dot write line statement here. And usually we used an end if, but that was because we had an if then statement, but here we have a for statement, so we would use end for. So you can see that the output is same. It's just that this is a bit more time consuming and space consuming. So thanks for watching my video, and if you found this video helpful, like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.